Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let magnitude of vector A is 3, magnitude of vector B is 5, B dot C is 10, and the angle between B and C is 60 degree. If vector A is perpendicular to this vector, then the value of this thing is. Now look at this. So we need to find out magnitude of A cross B cross C. Okay. Now you know that the angle between A and B cross C is 90 degree. So let's open this bracket. Can I write mod A mod B cross C sine pi by 2, because the angle between vector A and vector B cross C is 90. So this is okay. Now sine 90 is 1. Now we will break this part. Can I write mod A mod B mod C sine theta B and C, means it is the angle between B and C. So what is the angle between B and C? So B and C will have an angle 60 degree. So can I write mod A is 3, mod B is 5, mod C we don't know, and sine of pi by 3. So before calculating this, we want magnitude of vector C. So how we will find out magnitude of vector C? We will use this idea. So we have B dot C as mod B mod C, then cos theta B and C, correct? Now B dot C is what? 10. Mod B is what? 5. Mod C. And cos theta BC, cos of 60, cos of pi by 3. So it is 1 by 2. So this thing will become 2. So mod C will become 4. Okay. Now, so 3, 5, mod C is 4. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now you guys can simplify things. So we got this thing as 2. So it is 30 root 3. Hence the required value is 30 root 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.